throttle. It landed right, and then I kept on the throttle.
Too much salt.
I'm fucking this way. I can get out.
Bump though.
I'm pretty sure I keep a couple since that one time I broke one. Let me just try and get this fricker right here. Little fricker.
I turned that thing on too.
I guess we can go out this way. No, that's fails.
That's why you don't have enough for your build.
That's why I'm like,
Thanks.
fuck it, all in your box. I'm not gonna be left without.
You got Loctite?
I'm gonna have every shape and size.
Nice. You got Loctite on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have any with me.
I got some.
I think all I do is use another take it.
Coming at you, Donnie. Gotta get up this rock.
I know those brand new batteries.
This cannot end well.
First lock and get up there.
You do not lack. Punch the body, twist it up. Oh, you got all of it.
Where am I going, right? However way you can get out. There you go. I would try
You're
to
in a
go out
bind
left,
right front,
but,
back out.
There you go. There you go. Way more graceful than me. Okay, not this one.
All right, no hands.
Oh, do you feel ashamed now? Look at
I don't know. Keep my hands
Hey,
to
right
myself,
at
all
that
right?
spot you were trying to make it.
Oh, yeah. I thought you both those Kelly's here.
Skunky monkey.
Uh-huh.
Kelly's here.
It's very stealthy.
Put the round pots in there and look right. Just get a light bulb.
That's a whole different ball game there.
That was the plan, to play at the waterfall, you know, do all that stuff, and then, like we did last time. Because we always did.
I'll only have in, but I want to go up because
The group break things out there.
All Joey's fault.
Shelf, no.
All Joey's fault.
Yeah, whichever way you want to use it.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, get back to the car. Hey, man. Sit there and take it back. Yeah, there you go. No, I don't do that either. Like, somebody try to give me back in the last weekend, I was like, what you doing?
Yep. Oh, yeah, that's not all right.
Buy extra housing.
Me neither anymore. My bones are too brittle now. Excuse me.
All right, Lance, I'm trying to keep up with you.
I yelled at one-handing it.
Dude, ever since I started driving one-handed, it just,
You get your hands full.
it keeps.
That's what I hate about the
You're not touching
freaking
me.
transmitter. Who the hell got thumbs long enough to reach that shit?
That's when you do little thumb
Yeah.
steer things.
Yeah.
But, see, I taught myself how to drive with my other hand, my right hand instead of my left. 392.
Hey, the 427, I just got the other half of the motor over here underneath the seats. Yeah. That's one of them their new inline 8s, huh? Look at that.
It's like nothing.
I was kidding.
Hybrid mode, dude. Just wait, it'll stop in a sec. Has that auto start.
Oh,
stop.
one of those auto starts. Yeah, that's.
Yep.
Yeah. Now they put them on.
Catch it. Yep. Yep. Right back to where it started.
Gotta be two.
It's a lot of combo shit.
Okay. Let's keep going higher before you go left. High as you can, and then.
Oh, damn it. Nope, I'm screwed now. So, I'm gonna do that and go pick it up.
You're getting good today. Yeah.
Where's your bag, dude?
No, you're done there. Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, that fucking case in here. Yeah, thanks, sir. You had to get up early.
That's a discount for England.
Here's a little, the fallen soldier.
That's the best case scenario, John.